Hello everyone, good morning and welcome to yet another episode of English Winglish brought to you by City Group of Institutions. As we all know, the General Assembly elections of Punjab are around the corner. Here are a few of the words related to the elections. I hope you are going to use them in coming few days. The first word to be learned in this election fervor is constituency. Many times people say constituency. It's constituency. So what is constituency? Basically, it's a place, an area where the voters of one particular group live. So constituency, an area where the voters of that particular group live, and the constituency decides whom to select and whom not to. I belong to the Jalandhar North constituency. To which constituency do you belong? Second word is campaign. It's not campaign, it's campaign. Campaign. I want to campaign for my favorite candidate. Do you want to participate in campaigning? Elections are the most happening and hotcakes selling in Punjab nowadays, and you will find sort of people whom we need to define and describe. The first adjective is demagogue. Now, who is demagogue? Demagogue is a person who rakes your emotions, who is a rubble raker, who exploit the emotion of the public in the name of caste, religion, race and language. Demagogue. Another very popular person would be mud raker or a muck raker. Now, a muck raker and a mud raker is a person who will take out the skeletons from the cupboard of all the leaders who are contesting the elections and would try to expose all their dark hidden secrets. And the third word is Waka Jumper. Now, who is a Waka Jumper? As we have been witnessing this thing too, a person who jumps from one political party to another political party like a frog off a pond. That person is called a Waka Jumper. Have you witnessed any Waka Jumper? Oh, that candidate, he's the biggest Waka Jumper I have ever come across. Beware of the Waka Jumpers. There is quite a statement in politics, a political football, which means something which is quite controversial, politically controversial issue. So this is quite a political football. Then there is another quite a beautiful phrase in the field of politics. That is a political hot potato. That means some situation which is quite embarrassing, some truth or fact which is quite embarrassing. Then there is another quite an amusing phrase in the politics, which is like a turkey voting for Christmas. That means, why would I vote for someone who is going to harm me? Why would a farmer vote for a political party which is not protecting its interest? That means they would be voting like a turkey voting for a Christmas party. I hope you are going to use these wonderful phrases and vocabulary terms in your day-to-day life in the coming days. And the courtesy goes to English Winglish City Group. Keep watching, keep listening and keep speaking. Take care. Bye-bye.